So we're sitting here in, isolation because of the virus, the COVID-19. So we're just going around the house trying to find things to do. This is me and wifey. So we have found that many of the knobs in the house, they're this old. She's so excited about getting rid of these things. So these old super shiny brass, and we're discovering that much of the new stuff, you see this right here, this is what we turned it into. Most of the new brass is not shiny, it's all muted, like this artwork right here we have. Like it's not the same old stuff. It's not that shiny stuff like that. So we discovered this with like a nice, abrasive pad. As you can see, she's going for it now. So I tried this as an experiment just to see if we could make it work. And she liked the way it turned out. So basically everything's muted these days. So right now we're just taking a abrasive pad to all of the fixtures and just rubbing off the glossy finish. And they really look good. I mean, it's starting to turn out. It looks a little bit more modern because of the lack of the finish. Yeah, it's not all super glossy. So it looks a lot more like the things that we're buying around the house now. So it, like something like that. It's not super glossy. But so now she's going for it, and we want to show how it works. So let's go ahead and do this today. Works pretty fast too. Something tells me all the doorknobs in the house are gonna be done now.
Now that I see how easy it is, especially upstairs. I never liked gold knobs, but I guess it meant gold meant money.
Something like that. It meant something to somebody.
So this is until we switch them out.
Yeah, this is until we swap them out altogether. So
I
if you have some knobs at home, see we have all this muted stuff, and we mix and match our metals anyway, so it doesn't matter. We found a designer online, Rebecca, what's her name? Rebecca Robeson. If you haven't checked her out, she's the bomb. You got to check her out. Anyway, she encourages you to mix your metals, and which we do all day. So anyway, and it works out great. Everything looks wonderful. But until we get a chance to swap these out to something a little bit, more upscale, this definitely will make her feel better. Make my wife feel better. That's pretty cool. Yep, and after you get done, you just kind of wipe it down with a little bit of moisture, and it looks like it looks like an antique, brass fixture. We have to figure out what to do with these hinges now, though.
Yeah, they don't scrape off.
Yeah. Just need to be moisturized. Yeah, the satin definitely looks better than the gloss. It really does. And again, just as a difference between the two, I do this to that one. Look at that. That is one heck of a difference. Yes. Pretty cool. Well, just wanted to share. So again, we're just using one of these abrasive pads. Grab it at Home Depot. No problem. And it takes, 2 minutes? Especially if you can hold the other side of the doorknob. And it doesn't take a lot of pressure. It's really easy to do. Really easy to do. And it creates a more modern feel, a more muted feel. Well, hope this helps somebody. Please.
How to destroy your doorknobs to make them something different.
Yes. It's a heck of a lot easier than painting, right? All right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully everyone will stay safe out there.